Today, I want to talk about one of the most foundational challenges in data security, knowing exactly what sensitive data you have and where it lives. That is why we built the ALTR native classification. Security teams are being asked to protect more data across more systems than ever before, often without a clear view into what that data contains. Sensitive data ends up duplicated, ungoverned, or accessible to users who shouldn't have access. And too often, those gaps are only discovered after an audit or an incident. ALTR native classification gives teams a fast, accurate, and secure way to identify sensitive data across modern cloud environments. It allows you to create bespoke classifiers using regex-based pattern matching and group them into collections that can be run against all of your data sources to surface risk with precision. Or you can use ALTR's managed classifiers, which include pre-built patterns, to discover the most common PII, PCI, and PHI data types. Scans run entirely within your cloud provider account with no external agents and no data exposure. Once sensitive data is identified, teams can immediately apply appropriate ALTR controls, turning classification insights directly into enforcement. With ALTR native classification, teams stop reacting to risk after the fact and start proactively reducing it. It's a critical step toward consistent data protection, stronger compliance, and true visibility into what matters most. To see the full platform in action, visit altr.com/product tour or contact us directly for a personalized walkthrough.